1 camera, total coverage, no blind spots. Meet the ACT Q84, a 20MP 360 degrees panoramic dome that replaces 4 cameras with one smart, AI-powered device. Perfect for schools, factories, and logistics centers, clear, efficient, and unstoppable. The Q84 combines 4 5MP lenses to deliver a seamless 360 degrees panoramic view. It covers every corner with one IP address, simplifying installation and cutting deployment costs. Why install 4 when one Q84 does it better? With 9 IR LEDs and 50 m range, the Q84 delivers sharp night vision even at 0.002 lux. Ideal for schoolyards, factory exits, and nighttime logistics, no extra lighting required. Smart analytics detect motion, people, vehicles, intrusion, crowds, and abnormal sounds, giving you real-time, intelligent alerts for any situation. Connect strobe lights or alarms via digital output ports. With plug-and-play 12V DC, you can actively deter intruders at school gates, loading zones, or restricted areas. IP67 waterproof, IK10 vandal-proof, built-in mic, and audio I/O, the Q84 stands strong through rain, dust, or tampering. One install, long-term protection. Compared to Axis equivalents, the Q84 saves up to 50% in total costs, reducing NDR load, cabling, and installation time. More performance, less complexity, higher profit margins. Upgrade your security with the ACT Q84, 1 camera, full coverage, unbeatable value. Click below to connect with ACT and experience the future of 360 degrees AI surveillance.